The relations between Israel and Croatia have never been better, and they're getting better all the time. And one of the people who's accompanied this process has been Dragan. He's been a friend of Israel and a personal friend of mine for many years. And it's wonderful to see you again here in Jerusalem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dragan.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for all your help and all your friendship.
Thank you.
What is the current situation in Israel, in your opinion? How are you going to handle all these crises, we can say?
Well, you know, I've been, this is my 16th year as Prime Minister, so I've seen many, many crises. The Americans say, been there, done that. We will do it. We'll overcome everything. And Israel will be, continue to march on this great, miraculous success story. And we take particular pride in the fact that we have new friends and some old friends who are intensifying their alliances with us, and Croatia is one of them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we have